Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload date of birth on Skype. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload date of birth on Skype. Maybe because you want to upload your birthday so that other people could get to know how old are you, or maybe you just want the notification on your birthday for the birthday wishes, or it could be any other reason for you to upload your date of birth on Skype. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skype app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options all over the screen almost. At the bottom, we have four options: chats, calls, contacts, and for the news. So you can choose any one of these options, but here we have to simply click on the profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. You just have to simply tap on it so that we could open it. Once you get there, you will see different options all over the screen. All these options are different from each other and has their own purpose here. So from all these options, what we have to do is that just have to go to the manage section, and from there we have to select the first option, Skype profile. Just simply tap on it, and there you will get into your profile. At the top you will see your name, your birthday, and under it you will see different options. So here we have this option which says birthday, and if you want to add, you just have to simply click on it, and after that your birthday will be added. So for that you have to just simply tap on birthday. Once you get there, on the top you will see the title of profile, and you will see different options related to your personal information, or you could say your profile. So here we have this option which says birthday. Once you tap on it, with the help of it you can add your birthday. You can either add your real birthday or fake birthday or any kind of date of birth that you want to upload. If you don't want to upload your real or your original one, then you can choose any kind of date and it will be shown as your birthday. Once you click here, now what you have to do is that you first have to simply select the year in you were born, and then you have to select the month. After that you have to select the date on which you were born. Here I have selected the month. Now I am going to select the year in which I were born. Likewise, you can also select yours, and after that I will select the date on which I were born. And once you are done with all that, just simply click on done. After that your birthday will be uploaded, but it's not saved on your profile. So to save it, you just have to simply click on save changes, and after that it will get saved on your profile. If you get back, it will not save it. So for that you have to save it, then you can get back to your profile. Once you save it, it also notifies you by this top notification. That means the birthday has been uploaded. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add your date of birth on Skype. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.